The design process for the Porziuncula Nuova took place in 2 continents at the same time. Angela Aliotto took her team to Assisi to measure and photograph the original chapel, while back in San Francisco, architect Maurice Lombardo considered the construction options at the National Shrine of St. Francis.
So the first thing we do as the architects is we look at what drawings were available from the existing gymnasium, and then we go in and remeasure the building, as we call those as-builts. From there, then we start doing our schematic design, which is basically, just the first process of designing the new building. At the same time, Angela was gathering all information, pictures, documentations.
What happened after my meeting with Frate Massimo in Assisi was a partnership. He sent us all the drawings. The original archive drawings from not only the Porziuncula, but the ones that are in the Vatican archives.
It's a new building, it's built to new structural standards and new architectural standards, but that's where the relation to new construction ends.
Obviously, we're in an earthquake-prone area, so we had to make this thing seismically resistant. So it took us a little bit of extra work to make sure that this little chapel fit inside this building. And of course, that's one of the reasons why we made it 3/4 scale. On the one hand, you wanted it to look architecturally correct. On the other hand, you want to be able to walk through it, because if you scale down exactly the way it was, 3/4 scale, you'd hit your head going onto the building. We had to do several design studies on how to break the paneling system down so that you could still walk through into the doorways, yet make it look like the original in Assisi.
We worked on lots of historic buildings over the years, but never anything quite like this, and I would imagine we probably never will build anything quite like this ever again.
We kind of look at everything short-term in the United States, but when you look at the quality of this building will outlast us for many, many generations. We're really excited to know that after we're gone, there's going to be this great little chapel that we had an opportunity to put into place that's going to be around for hopefully many, many centuries.